What's up guys, let's not waste any time. Learning about YouTube has actually been pretty fun, but I don't really understand exactly what I need in order to create content and what kind of equipment I need. All I'm pretty much doing is going with the basics. On my last video, I didn't even add music just because I didn't really know how to even add it in there. So I did a little bit of research and eventually I found this website called Epidemic Sounds, something like that, .com. Not the something like that part. But this website gives you a bunch of uncopyrighted music. Yeah, because YouTube doesn't allow you to get copyrighted music and put it in YouTube because then they will give you some sort of strike. But what I do know about the app is that they give you songs based on the moods that you're setting for your viewers, like for story times, happy moments, sad moments, etc. But you do have to pay $15 a month. That's the thing. Yeah, I know. I started thinking to myself like, damn, that's kind of a lot of money. But that's until something clicked in my mind. I realized we tend to buy ourselves unnecessary items at unnecessary times. Clothes, shoes, games, board games, expensive gifts, collectibles, or we buy things for hobbies that we're gonna end up giving up in less than 3 days. What if I used my money and put it into things that are gonna generate money instead of putting it into things like that? But no, instead I could put my money in like currently for what I'm doing, like YouTube and Instagram. And I know what you're thinking. You might think that you won't enjoy life as much buying those little things. But the moment that I paid for that website for my music, it brought me so much joy because it made me feel like I am one step closer to finally being a YouTuber or being closer to success. But unfortunately, these are like things that you don't really realize that you'll get until you actually try it. But from experience, I am here to tell you that I've got so much joy out of it and I just feel so much more excited to do this. Yeah, so I realized how annoying it would be to actually be looking everywhere throughout YouTube, searching it up, like uncopyrighted songs that are good for my scenarios, basically, like the happy moments, sad moments, whatever, suspense. It's definitely possible. It's just these little things that you could be using your money instead of buying shoes and all that stuff. It just definitely makes it a lot better and a lot easier and even more fun. I also went to my local Walmart and bought two things. I bought an Apple USB cable in order to transfer my videos that I record from my phone and transfer it to my computer, and I bought that for about $25. I also bought a 2-in-1 vlogging desk lamp for like $5. So with these items, I am able to record with good lighting, and I am able to use my USB cable that I bought and transfer the videos that I record into my computer. And once they are in my computer, I finally start to edit. And the editing app that I've been using is called CapCut.com. This is an app that they recommended for beginner editors, basically. So if you don't know much about editing, it basically keeps it pretty simple for you to use. And the last thing that I learned was adding tags to your YouTube videos. Adding tags is what will make people find your YouTube videos a lot easier. I use this one website called Rapid Tags, and it's basically you just write the title of your YouTube video in the search and it pretty much will give you all the tags that you really need. But yeah, that was pretty much all that I learned in my first day of basically doing research on YouTube. But there's still so much to learn. You know, I'm just going with the flow though and not trying to rush anything. But that's pretty much for me. I'll see you guys in the next video and I hope you guys enjoyed.